Hello everyone, it's Objective Channels. Here I will show you how to download Servlet. This is a link like java2s.com. From here, just click it in Google. Then after this, as you can see, there is the related examples of same category. In that, you have to just select. This is the first page. It will show you the download Servlet. I have selected 5.536, but as you want, you can select. For example, like Tomcat, there is examples and download. Then we have Servlet 2.3 point. Then as I want 5.523, I will just click it and it will show me in the download. That download, and I downloaded two jar files. Then one of is a 5.523. I just unzip it and copy the API and paste wherever you're doing a project in Eclipse or in any other ADI. Okay, thank you. Bye.